In my previous video, I have given the explanation of the poem What a Bird Thought. In this video, I am going to give you the question answers. Standard 5, English Bal Bharti, Poem 1, What a Bird Thought. Let's start with rhyming words. Find and list the rhyming words from the poem. Well, shell, other, mother, find, blind, blue, you. Now the next question. Describe the following in 1 or 2 lines. A. The first little house of the bird. The first little house of the bird was small and round. It was made of a pale blue shell. B. The nest. The nest was a little one made up of straw. The bird thought that the nest was covered by its mother. C. The world around the bird's nest. Answer. The world around the bird's nest were trees with lots of leaves and the blue sky. Next question. Imagine the following and write about each in your own words. A. What the world looks like to a baby. Answer. Everything in the world is new for a newborn baby. They look at everyone with surprise. After looking at people for the first time, the baby usually cries. Now the last question. What the world looks like to a fish. Answer. For most of the fish, the world is clear and blue. But for some it is very dirty or muddy. Some of them are bounded by the boundaries of the fish tank.